What's up, guys? Rob, All Things Wood, Heat, Maple. We just stoked up the Dauntless. You can see she's chugging away like a locomotive down the track. She's gone. Anyway, so here's my pitch for absolutely having a sight glass when you boil. We loaded up today. That's 3 gallons in the evaporator pan. Here's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. 3 gallons is about right there. That's 5 gallons. We try to boil in the middle, depending upon the situation. Right now, she's really starting to kick in. It's getting steamy. You cannot tell where your level is unless you've got some kind of a other method, some kind of a float box or something. We're using a flat pan here. The only way we can tell when this thing starts boiling and steaming is by this right here. And when you get down at 3 gallons, we're talking probably about an inch, maybe an inch and a half, if that. And of course, with the preheater, we can regulate it. Less sap coming from the preheater means this boil rate is going to go down, and we're going to get closer to that 3 gallon mark. Depends how lucky you feel. I don't want to go crazy today. I'm out here by myself right now, so I'm going to keep my feeder bucket full. We've got about 3 gallons in there now, and I'm just going to keep monitoring. This sight glass will save your life. Just another tip from All Things Wood, Heat, Maple. I'm Rob in Connecticut. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check it out. I appreciate it.